So good morning, everyone. Today we are going to do practice for simple order list in HTML. Okay. Basically, you know about the what is order list in MS Word. If I talk about the in MS Word, so you know about the bullet and numbering option. These options. Okay. So this option is called order list and unorder list in a HTML language. Bullets are called order list. Sorry, bullets are called unorder list and the numbering are called the order list. ठीक है, तो उसका प्रैक्टिस करते हैं. This is a question. It started from the HTML tag, then head, then title close, then head, then body. Start the basic structure, all of you know. Then suppose I want to write something like some name of the planets here, like Mercury, Venus, all the thing, and I want some numbering in the front of all. Suppose Skulia. Suppose I want all these numbers. Okay, I want all these numbers should come in a HTML page with a numbering like this. ठीक है, ये नंबर चाहिए. If you want the same format in HTML, तो उसके लिए क्या करना पड़ता है? We have to apply some coding that is called the order list. तो उसका प्रैक्टिस करते हैं. I already saved that file. So let me open the file. इसको देखते हैं. This is a basic structure. As you know, doc type HTML head, title, order list, head, body, ये सब ठीक है. और यहाँ से हमको क्या चाहिए? कुछ यहाँ से कॉपी कर लेता हूँ. I want here some name of the planets. In the body, I need here the name of the planets. ठीक है, ये li निकाल देते हैं यहाँ से. Simple. I'm going to save this file, and then save it. Now let me open the file, right click and then open with Google Chrome. It's simple, come in a sentence, okay? Because there's a no break tag, nothing, no paragraph tag, nothing we apply here. So simply it's coming. And I want all these things should come with a numbering like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. So for it, at the beginning, we have to write here the OL. We have to write here the OL. OL means the order list. And then after each content, we have to write here the LI. LI, okay? LI. You can type or otherwise you can just select and copy and then you can paste it also in front of each name. Okay, and after that we have to close the order list also. I'm going to close order list here. Now I save the file and then save. Now let me open this file and refresh this page. Now see the numberings are coming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, the simple numberings are coming. Okay. Suppose I don't want numbering for all. I want till Jupiter should number come, not after Jupiter. So after Jupiter, you have to close the OL. इसके बाद OL को close कर दो यहाँ से, ठीक है? And leave it. Save किया file को, file and then save. Then till only this the numbering will come. उसके बाद ये सब यहाँ पे ये LI लिखा है, but I did not mention it. It is order list on order list, so that's why this bloods are coming. This is called the unorder list, UL. So I'm going to remove it. अगर आपको सिर्फ Jupiter तक नंबर चाहिए तो after Jupiter close the OL and then remove the LI. Okay. Now file and save and refresh this page. It's simple. and suppose I want again numbering from 1. I want again numbering from the 1, so I have to write here again OL order list, और उसके बाद फिर से यहाँ पे वही टाइप कर दो, और फिर से इसको क्लोज कर दो, फाइल सेव किया. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, चलो. Suppose I don't want here the numbers. I don't want here the numbers. चलो एक ही नंबर अप्लाई करेंगे from one continuously one series. So I remove the यहाँ पे बीच में बंद किया था उसको हमने हटा दिया. ठीक है. Now it's simple order list. This is called a simple order list. Order list. Okay. And now suppose I want it should not come by the number alphabet numeric value. It should come with the alphabet. So आपको यहाँ पे टाइप करना पड़ेगा OL then type, OL then type, then mention here the capital A, then mention here the capital A और इसको सेव कर दो. सिंपली हमने क्या लिखा OL के साथ में यहाँ पे OL type A, OL type A. चलिए काम करते हैं. द बेस्ट वे यहाँ पे नहीं करेंगे इसको. ठीक है, इसको ऐसे ही रहने दो, इसको कॉपी करके नीचे लिखते हैं फिर से. ठीक है, कॉपी किया, ये सिंपल ऑर्डर लिस्ट हो गया. BR लगा दो यहाँ से. Now I'm going to paste the same thing again. मैंने फिर से पेस्ट कर लिया ये सारा कुछ. ठीक है, but now I am going to mention it. इसको एक बार सेव कर लेते हैं. चलो फाइल सेव और रिफ्रेश करके देखो. Both are numbers coming, same thing, but now I will mention here OL TYPE type. OL type A. Okay, OL type A. If you write here OL type A, so alphabets will come in a capital letters. Okay, is it okay? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you need small alphabets, not the capital letters, you want small letters, so you have to write here the small A and file and then save it. It will come small letters like A, B, C, D, E, like that. Is it okay? Clear?
Yes, sir.
And suppose you need here the Roman numbers. All of you know the Roman numbers.
Yes, sir.
So you can, if you need a Roman number should be in capital letter, so write here the capital I, capital I. Okay, capital I. Then save it. If you need Roman numbers should come in a small letters, so you have to write this I in a small letter. Then file and save and refresh the page. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
समझ में आया सबको? How to apply the order list? Order list कैसे apply करते हैं? And how we can change the format of the order list also. Okay, we can apply numbers, we can apply alphabets, we can apply Roman numbers in capital letter or small letters, or we can mention the alphabets also in a small letters or capital letters. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. एक चीज और होता है. Suppose I want here the alphabet, so I will write here the OLTYPE type, and I will mention here the A. Right? Doesn't matter. It should come in a small letter or capital letter. ये आ गया. अच्छा, but I don't want it should start from the A. I want it should start from the F. कहाँ से start होना चाहिए? F से. So F कौन सा नंबर होता है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 number, right? Start लिख के यहाँ पे कर दो 6. क्या करोगे यहाँ पे? Start 6 और refresh करो. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Suppose you need here the numbering. You need here the numbering. If you need numbering, so no need to mention anything here, right? आपको यहाँ पे कुछ भी मेंशन करने की जरूरत नहीं है. वो नंबर अपने आप आ जाएगा. OL टाइप सिंपल लिखो, नंबर्स आ गया, right? But I want this number should come from the 11 number. कहाँ से आना चाहिए? This Mercury 11, then 12, 13, 14, 15. तो आपको यहाँ पे क्या करना पड़ेगा? Start equal 11. सिंपल। क्या लिखना पड़ेगा? start 11, it's mean is to start from the 11th number, so फाइल में सेव करो and then refresh करो, ठीक है?
Yes.
So this OL is the order list. Start means from which number you are going to start, and type means which type of order list you want, okay? And LI is the list item. LI क्या है? List item. LI is the list item, ठीक है? जो भी आप इसके अंदर OL के अंदर लिस्ट आइटम सेट करोगे, so you have to write here the LI at the beginning of each word, okay? Each content, तो वो उसके अकॉर्डिंग नंबर्स आएगा. Is it clear this order list to all of you?
हाँ sir. Yes sir. Clear.
ठीक है, तो इसका प्रैक्टिस करना है आप लोगों को, ठीक है? You have to make different type of list. You can write some fruits name, vegetables name, or you can write your friend's name also. At the beginning you can write here some headings also. आप ये heading भी लिख सकते हो. Like I'm writing here the heading 2. You know the H2, right? H2 means the heading 2. Planet same. H2 को यहाँ से close कर दिया, फाइल सेव किया, and now refresh it. Planet name में ऐसे आ गया. Then you can write here some fruits name, vegetable name, or some cities name. इस तरह से आप ऐड करके कुछ और कंटेंट ऐड कर सकते हो, right?
Yes sir.
Okay, good. Any doubt, any confusion in this order list option?
No sir.
Okay, then good. Then today do practice.
YouTube में
Then-
share करो, okay?
Then today please do practice for this order list question.